This is a 1929 Ford Model A Phaeton, and it's got quality restoration. Every nut and bolt, everything's been reworked. Chrome is beautiful, nickel plating is beautiful, and again, this is nickel plating on here. And if you look at the paint, absolutely flawless. That is the original color that was found on the car when it was being restored. Brand new tires, and there's 6 of them. You'll see the pictures of the trunk, everything there. What's kind of cool is it not only is the top beautiful, but it's got side curtains. 2 of the side curtains are up. I left the rest of them off, but they're in the trunk in a nice case. We have them all. These are even nickel plated. Special caps, nickel plated. Those are all original. We'll get in here and take it for a little ride. All the glass is triple X Ford glass, so you'll see that marked on there. I've got pictures showing it. This has got the wings on it, and I'll get in. We'll take some pictures from the back seat as we're driving down the street. Beautiful interior, just like it was when it was new. Nice top. Everything works on the car. It's just gorgeous. So we'll take it for a little ride. This is just a quality restoration. Won a lot of trophies. It's a real showstopper. I've looked over the paint completely. I can't find one flaw in it. Again, 1929 Ford Model A. We've had it going up to about 45 miles an hour. I'm not sure what top speed is, but it drives nice. Beautiful car. So if you're interested in a 29 Model A Phaeton, give Nick a call at Dream Cruise Classics, 586-453-9316.